Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Zuhad bin Muhammad Stain from class ECE600 5B, and this is my case study for ECE600 data network application. The method that I'm using here is ping and tracer. So ping is to check if a device is online and reachable. It tells you, can I talk to this device? It can be used to test if a device is working or check if your IP settings are correct. Meanwhile, tracer shows the path your data takes to reach a device. It tells you where is the problem if the ping doesn't work. It also can be used to see which router is dropping the connection or find the network issue in the middle. So I have listed the problem here. So we have three problems. One is the PC4 have the wrong default gateway, which we can configure the default gateway later on. Second is the server is set this to DCHP. Here we need to set it to static and enter the IP address table. Third is the router 3 IPv6 address is incorrect. So here we must remove the old IPv6 and replace it with a new one. So I already configured the problem off screen. So let's go to the packet tracer. So I received the packet tracer and the address table given to me. So firstly, we need to understand that IPv4 network can only be pinged to IPv4 network, and for IPv6 can only be pinged to IPv6 network. So to identify the error, here is to go as our starting point for IPv4 is the PC1, and for our starting point to for IPv6 is PC2. So here we need to go to the command prompt of the PC1. So here I already ping for the error on the PC4 and tracer it, but I already configured the error off screen. So to identify the error, we have to from PC1 to ping laptop E to our corporate server, PC4 and our server 1 to identify which of the end user is having the error. And for the error IPv6, we have to go to PC2 and then do the command prompt and ping by using the IPv6 address and ping the PC3, corporate server, laptop B and laptop C. Here I already told you that we have three errors. So here we can go to the IP configuration, and the problem is the default gateway. So here we need to follow by the table we use, and in the server 1 we can go to there, and same as the IP configuration, but it's DCHP, so we have to take it to static and enter the table we have been given. And lastly, the router 3, we have to go to the CLI console and enter the IPv6 address for the correct one, and to remove it just use the no IPv6 address and enter the wrong one to remove it. So that's all the explanation and justify for my video. Thank you for watching.